everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley back with another video. So today's video, if you can't tell by the boxes next to me in the title, we're going to do an unboxing video, old school YouTube. I had this brilliant idea just to go out and buy a GoPro, so I went on Amazon and I found a good little deal with like a little starter pack. So I just bought it, and hopefully I can get more clips, better videos of like different angles and stuff, and then hopefully that will make me do more adventures. So without further ado, let's show you what's in the boxes. So it's super bright outside, so there's like a weird glare coming from my window, and this was like the best setup that I've had so far, so I wanted to try it again, but today just not working with me, so sorry about this like lighting that's behind me. But so yeah, I ordered the GoPro as I said before, and I opened up the box because I just wanted to see like if this was actually it. But we're gonna start off with this box. Inside of this box was a 64 gigabyte SD card, which is perfect because I need another one for my camera, and this would be good for the GoPro. So I got that, and then there's this one that's from Newer, and my first lighting that I got is actually by this brand, and I love my lighting, so I can't open it. Okay, it comes in this fancy little briefcase or whatever, so that's convenient. And then inside, oh my gosh, everything's falling out. Okay, stuff is falling out. The first thing that I see is this little action camera accessory kit, and inside it shows you like all the stuff that's inside of the little briefcase and the names of it, and then they have an installation guide and then different ways that you can like use the stuff. It's cool. So this thing comes with a lot of stuff, and I think this was only like 25 bucks, so that's actually a good deal. And then this, I don't know what that is. Okay, so let's dive in. I think this one is, oh, the helmet strap. I don't have a bike, so that's no use to me. And then more screws and one of the buckles. So I mostly wanted this whole thing because I wanted the car mount thing, and so I can put it on my head when I go adventures and like put it on my chest. So I mean, I'm gonna look like a little something when I go out with this stuff on me, but hey, whatever. Cool shots, right? Okay, this is like a clamp. Do you know that episode of SpongeBob when he's like the music thing with the jellyfishes and it's like la 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 la? Okay, that's what that reminded me of. And then this is, I think this is the wrist strap. Yes, Rooney, this is the wrist strap, so that's cool, I guess. I can do like, I can't even put it on. I can be like, bang, 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 like, ooh, ice. This stuff is like, oh, the adhesive grip. And I heard that once you take the sticky part off, to like choose wisely where you put them, because once that baby is on, it's not coming off. So, I mean, that's good. And then a bunch of screws and knickknacks. I'm just excited that it comes with this little case because I have a tendency of losing things, and with this little pouch I won't lose anything. And then this one is the car mount. I'm excited for this. This one has like a suction cup. So I mean, you can move this one around. I'm excited for this one. And then we got a little handle thing. Be like, what's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. And then it comes with like a strap and then some screws, and then more of the adhesive things that you can stick on to like your car window, or stick it in your bathroom if you want to do like morning things or whatever, or stick it in, you know, I don't know, wherever you stick GoPros at. GoPros. And then I think this one is the chest strap. This is exciting. This one is the head strap. I'm excited to use this one. I might as well just finish the rest of the video with this thing on my head, right? And then the next one is just more straps. This one is my SD card ran out of storage, so I had to go delete some stuff, but we got a new one, so it's perfect. So I don't have to keep deleting stuff off of this one because I was lazy to go buy one, so now I actually have one. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna take this off and then we're gonna continue the video. So I'm basically done showing you everything that was in the briefcase. If you guys want like a closer look, I'll like hold this up. You guys can pause it if it'll focus. Okay, you guys can like pause it and look at it and see what actually comes inside of this. I'll also put the link down below, so if you guys are interested in buying it, you guys can click on that and buy it. But now let's get into the fun part. So I decided to get the GoPro Hero 5 in black. Yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 5 Black waterproof digital action camera with 4K HD video and 12 MP photo. If I keep sniffling, I'm so sorry. I work with kids, so basically I get sick every single day, and it sucks, okay? My immune system used to be so good, and it literally is just like, F it, you're getting sick. Okay. Let's do a slow-lo montage. Okay, montage over. Alright, so the first thing that you see is obviously the GoPro, and it's sitting in this cute little case. Ain't it so cute? We'll save the little baby for last. Okay, so then on this side, after you take the GoPro out, there's like another little white, black box. My bed is such a mess. It's fine, we're all fine. So, inside, you have a pamphlet that says, "Let's get started," okay? And it's basically like the setup of the GoPro and how to turn it on, basically how to take pictures and videos, camera mounting, so like my accessory kit, and then mobile apps and everything. And then on the back, it has it in Espanol. So then there's also another booklet that's like important product safety instructions, you know, the thing that nobody ever reads, but then when something happens, they think like it's broken and nobody ever wants to look at these, but okay. Oh, and this also comes with one of the little sticky adhesive things that my kit came with. And then it comes with the USB to charge it, and then I'm guessing this is the battery. So now to the fun part. First of all, let's do oddly satisfying. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. There's one on the back too, but we'll get that later. I'm gonna basically watch some YouTube videos of how to take cool shots, how to take pics and everything, and really get some good use out of this. I'm super excited to start using this, and also because I've been saying like I wanted like a vlog camera, and this is like, I can take this basically anywhere. I can go underwater with it, which is something I really wanted to do instead of putting my phone inside the little ugly little pouch things and having it on your neck or whatever. But now I have this and I can take it anywhere with me, literally. So the second part of this video, I'm gonna actually go out and test this out and see if I can even take cool little things or shots or whatever. Probably not, because this is gonna be like my trial video, but we'll try. Basically, that's the end of this first part, and then we're going to test it out somewhere, maybe at the pool, or maybe like, I don't know what's fun around here, but whatever. We're gonna test it out. Okay guys, so hopefully you liked the little clip that I did with my brand new GoPro, and I'm super excited to continue to use it. I'm still learning about how to use it and take cool little things, so hopefully in the future I'll have better videos and better clips. This is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below, and as always, join the little fam that we got going on. So, see you guys in my next video.